You see who reported you on a Roblox. So in here, the very first thing is to get into your Roblox account just like this. Then from here, if you click on this gear-like icon on the top right corner, you'll be able to see help and safety, right? So if you click on this option, now here you'll be able to see your violations and appeals. If you click on it, here you'll be able to see all of your violations of your Roblox community standards. So in here, if somebody did reported you and Roblox approved that report, then you'll actually be able to see what exactly you did or what violations or appeals you got on Roblox, right? So in here, but unfortunately I have to let you guys know that Roblox does not actually tell users who reported them. So if you did get reported, it will be added to your violations of your account, but but unfortunately you won't be able to see who exactly reported you. So yeah, reports are actually anonymous, and actually you guys should not trust any site or websites claiming that they can actually reveal the reporters, because I'm pretty sure that it's scam. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.